so this is probably why your car stinks. Cabin air filter. Most vehicles have it, others don't. But most of the times when I buy a used vehicle, or even when I have somebody come up to me and says, hey, my vehicle stinks, or there's making some type of rumbling or growling noise coming from the glove box area, typically it's this. Now this is the 2009 Toyota Camry, applies to a lot of different models and a lot of different vehicles. Some vehicles it's very simple to get to it, some are a little more involved. This one is as simple as removing the glove box by pushing in this tab right here. The same on the other side. The glove box comes out, and in this case you get to the filter just like so. Release one side, release the other side, and you have your prize. Now when I got this car, I was chasing another issue that I was diagnosing, so I've already taken this out, but I do need to replace it. So sometimes they slide out pretty easy, but if you look at it, this thing is pretty gross. Now I've seen ones that are filled with tons of leaves, debris, even some as bad as getting mold and mildew in here. And if this thing is just clogged up and just not in good condition, you can get a funk in your vehicle, you get a weird noise, and you're not going to get optimal performance out of your cooling or heating system, as well this restriction is not going to allow the air to blow as efficiently. So this one is junk, this one's got to go. Now pick this one up, TYC, nothing fancy to it, got it on Rock Auto, it was like $5 or $6. Now the key to remember when installing it is the direction of the arrow, which is right over here. So if you look at it, it says the arrow is pointing down. Now unfortunately, whoever worked on this vehicle last, they put it in the wrong direction. So on the instructions, it says make sure the arrow is pointing down, which is just like so. And we're just gonna slide this in like that until it goes in no more. Now some of them you'll have to kind of accordion it and just squeeze it in just so it slides in better, but this one is very simple. So now install this. So if you notice, it says up over here. It's not talking about the direction of the filter, it's actually talking about this door, because if you look, it has special little tabs that goes into a hole right over here and over here, and if you don't put it in properly, it'll break, it won't seal. So this up refers to the direction of the door, this arrow refers to the direction of the flow from the air. So make sure this is facing down, and if in doubt, just check the instructions. This company actually gives you instructions telling you, and just like so, you're done. So as you can see, this is pretty dirty. And now if you see one like this, don't panic, because some of them are this charcoal color because they have that charcoal stuff like it, but this one was white at one time and it's been in here quite a long time. It's a Purolator, and the biggest issue with it is that it was put in incorrectly. So I'm sure now we'll have good airflow and we won't have any funk. So if you're having a smell in your vehicle or poor airflow across your dash, definitely check the cabin air filter. They're only $5, $6, $10. If you order it online, if you get it local, it's a little more expensive, but it could be your culprit. Now, one final suggestion, if you're running into the issue and you don't have a cabin air filter, your cowl. Take off your cowl, remove it, because a lot of the times, if you look at all these holes over here, a lot of debris and leaves and stuff get stuck in there. They will clog it, that will create an issue, and it will sit, and that will also create the odor, because this is what sucks in your fresh air. So hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.